Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to SK Technologies. So in this video, I will explain you about pipeline jobs. So very important and 99% in the real-time projects, people are using the pipeline jobs only. Any task, so like the deployment task or any automation or any installation or any configuration. Okay, so everything is should be done by these pipeline jobs. Okay, so here so most of the people ask me to that the scripting language. Okay, so sir, any scripting language required for the DevOps? So definitely, you need to write any scripting. You need to aware the scripting language. Okay, so here the pipeline jobs are okay. So we are writing with help of the Groovy script. Okay, so with help of the Groovy script we are writing this pipeline. So you can tell the same thing in interviews as well. Okay, I'm familiar with the Groovy script. Like whatever the task we defined so far. So in the with the help of the freestyle job, we deployed. We have defined some stages, right? Like check out the code, build the making the build with help of the Maven, and Sonar report generation, and pushing the artifactory. Okay, so these all are integration continuous integration tools, right? So all these we have done by the freestyle job. Now the same task again we are defining, but with the help of the pipeline job. Okay, so here we are using the Groovy script. We have to write the script. With the help of the script we are executing those tasks. Fine. So pipeline job very simple. So in the clean manner I will explain. Okay, so let me go and create a pipeline job. So this is my Jenkins. So these are the folders, right? Let me create another folder with the pipeline jobs. Okay. So select the folder. You know, right? How to create this and all. Already shown display name pipeline. You can save, apply and save. Okay. So go back to dashboard. See, this is the pipeline jobs. This is the folder. Go inside that. Now you can create the job, which is pipeline job. Okay. So demo one pipeline. Okay, so demo one pipeline. You can select here. This is the icon, pipeline icon. See, click on this one. So here again we are defining the same task. So apply save as of now. So here again we are defining the same task like as we defined earlier. So this and all this is also done, right? Okay, so all these things. Again we are we have this requirement like application deployment and freestyle all we did, right, but this time we are writing the pipeline Groovy script. Okay, so I will tell you high level syntax and slowly we will write all these stages. Okay, so it's a very easy, guys. No need to worry about. See, sometimes people having the phobias like any scripting language or coding especially, and most of the people are thinking that coding and scripting both are same. It's not correct, guys. So coding is it is developing some application with help of the programming languages. So scripting means you are making some automation with help of the some syntaxes, with help of some language syntaxes. Okay, so so let me define first stage, check out the code. Okay, so let me define this. So before that, we'll have a look on the high level syntax. Okay, so Groovy script. Okay, with help of the Groovy script. So there are two types of pipeline jobs. Okay, so scripted pipeline, scripted pipeline, and a declarative pipeline. Okay, so declarative pipeline, two types. One is scripted, another one is a declarative. Fine. So both scripted and declarative are using the Groovy script only. Okay, but slight differences and almost syntaxes are everything is same for both scripted and declarative, but a slight difference is there. So in the real time, based on the requirement, they are using the scripted or declarative, but most of the cases they are using the declarative only. So in my tutorial, I will explain the declarative only. Okay. At the beginning, the declarative it will start with the pipeline. Okay. So pipeline and curly braces open, then curly braces close like this. So like this it will start, guys. Okay. So here your entire code you need to be written inside this parenthesis, inside this curly braces. Okay. So by best practice, you can write your code with the help of the Visual Studio. Okay, so you can open Visual Studio. So this is the best practice, guys, and effectively you are writing the code with the help of this Visual Studio. So I suggested you to go and create the Visual Studio. Okay, so let me create a folder. So let me create a folder. Then with the help of that we will see pipeline. So you can create any folder, not an issue, and open that folder inside your Visual Studio Code. Okay, so let me open this. So here you have to create a file. Okay, so the name of the pipeline script. Okay, so in the standard name is Jenkins file. Okay, see, the moment I return Jenkins file, the moment I given the file name Jenkins file, then see icon automatically coming, because this is with the help of the extensions, Visual Studio Code extension, Jenkins extension I have installed in the Visual Studio. That's why it is showing. So here observe carefully, pipeline. Okay, curly braces open. See, automatically it is maintaining the alignment also. It is maintaining the indentations. See, the cursor started, the some space is maintaining, and cursor blinking here. Okay. So now you can write all your code, all your script inside this curly braces. That is okay. So that is the main syntax you have to follow. Everything you should write under this okay curly braces. Okay. So here you have to start like this. Fine. So now here, high level syntax, you are having three areas, guys. So one is a header section. Okay. So header section, then stages. Okay. Then posts. That's it. Only these three portions inside your pipeline script. You can go and check any pipeline script, any declarative pipeline script, even scripted also. Okay, but a scripted starting with the node. Okay, so don't consider the scripted pipeline. So you just only concentration on this declarative only. Okay, so declarative pipeline having the three sections. One is header, stages, and posts. So mainly the header section, what it contains. Okay, so your header section, your pipeline start with like this pipeline. Okay, so let me write this pipeline, curly braces open. Okay, and curly braces close. Then here your header. Okay, and your stages, then your posts. That's it, guys. Okay, so all these things, three things are under your parenthesis. Okay, so like this. So now what header contains? So header contains these are the things like your agent in the sense, so where you want to trigger your pipeline job, so where you want to trigger the job. So we will discuss, guys, the agents, nodes, master and slaves node setup. All these things we will discuss future. But as of now, just remember where you want to trigger this job. Okay, so we have to specify that server details. Fine. So agent, then environments. Okay. So environments in the sense, if you have any, if you have any uh, environment variables, okay, which are using in your pipeline script, okay, which are using for in your deployment. So those and all you have to define in the environment. Okay. And tools. So tools means if you have if you installed any tool with the help of the global tools configuration, then you have to define the tools in the tools section. Okay. And triggers are options. So options, sorry, options. So options means if you want to set any timestamp, or if you want to set any build discard options. Okay. So these kind of things all are you are defining under the options. Okay. And triggers. Okay. So there is a separate topic for the triggers. So with help of the triggers only 100% we are making the automation. So all the stuff we will discuss. Okay, so this triggers, all these triggers, Polesium, build periodically, Git webhooks, all the things we are defining under the triggers. Okay, so there are few other things also, guys. But as of now, just remember agent, environment, tools, options, triggers, we are defining in the header section. Okay, once you done the header section, you will start your stages will start. Okay, so stages, these are the actual tasks, guys. So here, if you want to check out the code, if you want to build the artifact, build artifact, and you have to generate the reports, these all are the tasks, right? So all these tasks you are defining under the stages. Okay, like stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, likewise you are defining whatever the task you are having, all those tasks are you are defining under these stages. Okay, once you done the stages, then posts will start. So posts mean these are the email notifications, or if you want to send any reports. Okay, so reports over email, then we are defining the posts. That's it, guys. So entire your pipeline script having these things only, these three portions: header, stages, and posts. Okay, so based on your request, you can go and define these headers. Whatever the required, you can define in the respective areas. Thereafter, you can define the stages. All task, each task you have to define in the stage. Okay, thereafter, if you want to send an email, then you can configure post, or else you can leave it, not an issue, it's optional only. Okay, and sometimes for individual tasks also, if you want to send the notification, then you can configure in the inside the stages also you can configure. Okay, so we will see those under. So this is the high level groovy script. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next video, so practically I will show you. So I just created a pipeline script, pipeline job, right? Inside the pipeline job, I will go and write the pipeline script. So I will use this Visual Studio. Okay, then I will execute the job and will show you practically. Okay, so thank you, guys. That's it for video. We will see in the next video. Okay, thank you.